Welcome to the world of discrete electronics. Step into a realm where precision and creativity converge, where circuits come alive through individual components working in harmony. Discrete electronics is the art and science of crafting systems, using standalone elements like resistors, capacitors, diodes, inductors, and transistors. Let us build infrared light control. This circuit turns on the lights at the portico, car parking, or other areas when a motorbike or car enters through the gate to cross the sensing area. It can also be used as an electronic watchdog for your house, by activating an alarm simultaneously. This circuit is designed to turn on a 60-watt bulb when it receives an infrared signal from an IR remote control. The IR signal is detected by an IR receiver, IRX1, which then triggers a microcontroller, IC1, to activate a relay, RL1. The relay, in turn, switches on the main power supply to the bulb. Power supply: the circuit starts with a transformer, X1, that steps down the 220V AC mains voltage to a lower voltage, typically around 9V AC. This AC voltage is then rectified by a bridge rectifier, D1-D4, to produce a DC voltage. A voltage regulator, IC2, further stabilizes this DC voltage to a specific level required by the circuit components. IR receiver and detection: an IR receiver, IRX1, is connected to the microcontroller, IC1. When the IR receiver detects an infrared signal from a remote control, it sends a signal to the microcontroller. Microcontroller and relay activation: the microcontroller, IC1, is programmed to interpret the IR signal. Upon receiving a valid signal, the microcontroller activates a transistor, T1, which in turn triggers the relay, RL1. Bulb switching: the relay, RL1, is connected in series with the main power supply to the bulb. When the relay is activated, it closes the circuit, allowing current to flow to the bulb and turning it on. SUP equals slow 1/SUP. Capacitors, C1, C5. These components are used for filtering and smoothing the DC voltage, as well as for decoupling and stabilizing the circuit. Resistors, R1 or 7. These components are used to limit current flow and set bias voltages for various components. Diodes, D5. These are used for protection and signal conditioning. LEDs, LED1, LED2. These can be used as indicators for power status and IR signal detection. Stay tuned and keep learning. Subscribe to our YouTube channel www.codingscientist.com.